beauties, welcome to another video, and today I am doing this eye makeup look with you guys using the Too Faced Light My Fire palette. And I'm going to be reviewing the palette after I show you guys how I created this look, so stay tuned for that. I have to say one thing, this palette smells like cinnamon hearts, and look at how gorgeous it is, okay? So now that you've seen that, you have to see how easy it is to create this look using this palette. It's amazing. But anyways, if you're new to my channel, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. My name is Kim. I do videos on beauty, fashion, a little bit of fitness, a little bit of vlogging, a little bit of all over the place craziness going on here, but it's all fun. So I love having you guys, and let's just get it started. Here we go. For this look, as you guys can see, I already did one eye, and this is super duper ooper trooper simple. So yeah, just follow along, and this is going to be really easy for you to mimic at home. I'm not using any eyeliner or nothing tricky. It's just really simple, summer-friendly makeup that's going to look spectacular. Here we go. The only problem I am having right now is that this lash is kind of flimsy. I didn't really stuck it on that well, but cross your fingers that it stays on, and let's just get started. The first thing we're gonna do, we're going to prime the eyelid, and I'm just gonna start by priming the eyelid, and I'm using the Proconceal concealer from LA Girl Cosmetics, which is my go-to. And to prime the eyelid, all you just do is you just apply the concealer all over the lid, and depending on how thick you want it, you can use a brush or a sponge. I use both because the sponge makes it easy to distribute the product. And priming the eyelid's gonna prepare it for the color that's gonna come. And since we want like a bold color look, we just, you know, neutralize all the creases and colors underneath by applying primer or concealer. I'm just gonna powder it a little bit just so it's not too creamy and sticky. After doing that, we are going to start with the first color of the palette. This orangey shade called Cheese Whiz. So we're gonna use that one, and we're just gonna apply it. And I have to say, when I first applied this, it kind of looked red. And it still kind of looks red, if you can see it, but it's supposed to be orange. Nice and fierce. Now, this same orange we are going to apply underneath the lid. Now, I always like to think of it like an oval shape, like you go from here all the way down below the eye. So that's how I like to think about it. And you're just gonna go outwards towards that color, so it all comes together. Now, on the lid itself, I'm gonna apply this color called Smoking. And I know it seems like I'm doing it really fast. I just want you guys to know how easy it is to create something like this. Now, to fade the harsh color here, we're just gonna kind of go over this harsh line here with a clean brush. I'm just gonna want to fade it out. See how it kind of like fades that whole harshness? I'm just gonna take a little bit more of this orangey shade and pop it here in the corner so it evens out like the other lid. Now, to clean it up a little bit, I'm gonna apply this shade called Flaming Hot. I am just gonna apply that at the top here just to clean it out. And I always like the thought of having something on the lid here. Next, I am going to curl my lashes and apply some of this Kush mascara from Milk Makeup. So I'm gonna curl the lashes. And then I'm gonna apply this mascara from Milk Makeup, and it's the Kush mascara. This is amazing. Like, if you have no lashes like me, this mascara will blow you away. To get that darkness underneath my eye, I just use the mascara and it automatically deposits some black underneath your eye, gives that really popping look to the eye. So here I go. And the way you get that look is you want to make sure that the mascara brush touches your eye, your waterline a little bit when you put the mascara on. And then you're going to take that same brush that you used to do your under eye with, and you're going to kind of blend out that black. Now, of course, if you want, you can also use an eyeliner, but I'm trying to keep it really super simple, you know? So you basically just need like 3 or 4 products to create this eye look. And moving right along to the cheeks. For my cheeks, I'm gonna go in with the Hello Halo Blush Highlighter from Wet n Wild. I hope it's not too light for my skin tone, but we'll see. This is what it looks like. It's like, I have this one too, but this one looks like it would be a little too light. So we're gonna go with this pinkish color. There. Now for the lips, I'm gonna go with an orange shade, and I picked this one. It's from Almay and it's called Smile. So we're gonna just pop this on and see how it goes. This is what it looks like. Very orange. Now I think the lip is a little too orangey, so I'm gonna tone it down a little bit. I'm gonna go in with this Dose of Color lip gloss in the shade Jazzy. Okay guys, so my review of the Too Faced Light My Fire palette. First, I have to say I do love the look. I love the final result. It's very, very summer friendly, warm weather friendly. So I love that. I love the way the packaging looks. So that is always a major, major plus for me. The colors are super, super summer friendly, like I said, and they don't, honestly, they have a little itty bitty tiny fallout when you put them on, but not enough for you not to put on your foundation and your powder first. You can just wipe off the little bit that might fall out, you know. I hardly had any, so that was a big plus. I love the way the palette smells, cinnamon hearts, and yeah, it's just really, really, really cute. I love it. I think it's really, really cute. Now, the cost of the palette, it was $27. Now, since the quality of the product is good, I'd say it is worth it, but I can see how you would think it's a little bit pricey for a mini palette. I thought it was worth it because it's a good quality palette. You know, you can really like blend out the colors, or you can like build them up, and there's different options. You can do different things with this palette. I think, yeah, I think it's worth the $27, but if you think it's too much, then I can see why you would think that too. So there. Have you tried this palette? If so, sound off in the comments below. Do you think I'm right in my review? What do you think? What did you think of the palette? And yeah, that was my little review. I hope you guys liked it. Sound off below, and I will see you guys again next week in another video.